how to find someone on Snapchat without their username. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find someone on Snapchat even if you don't have their username. It can be sometimes tricky to locate someone without these details, but don't worry, I've got you covered. So let's dive right in. First things first, open your Snapchat application and tap on the plus icon or the add icon at the top right corner of the screen. Simply tap on it. Here you can see a search icon. If you know the username of the person, you can simply do that. But we don't know the username of the person, so what we're going to do is find friends to our contact list. On show all contacts, if you have the person's phone number saved in your phone's contact, you can try syncing them with Snapchat, and here you'll be able to see all the contacts. Snapchat will automatically check your contact to show you suggestions of people who are on Snapchat, and you can simply add them and they'll simply find it and they will know that they are in your contact list and they'll be able to add you as well. And that's it. That's how you can simply find someone on Snapchat without knowing the username or phone number.